are on our way to Pershore Valley to experience the snowy mountain. It's about 400 plus kilometers or a 4.5 hours drive. These are the teams we are with during the trip. Team Caro from Melbourne. Team Yap and Lee from Sydney. Team Baritwa from Sydney. And Team Labata from Sydney. First stop.
Yeah, man, kumusta inyong biyahe? Kumusta ang biyahe, man?
Mayong buntag.
Mayong buntag.
Ako ang bata na una-una mo ni Sige na. No, bless.
Di ba bless? Bless. Yay! Kawawan siya.
Bless, Nina. Excited na ba na, Nina? Mata na yun na ganina. Matag sa'yo.
We are here at Patridge VC Rest Area. Here, we had our breakfast with Team Baritwa. Next up, we Rewa Lookout. We didn't expect the weather here to be freezing and foggy. Before we proceed to our destination, we had a quick lunch break in Canberra and visited the Parliament House since Adi Cherry had not yet to visit Canberra.
Video ni, video ba? Video.
Now we are back on the road. We stayed or rented a place to stay in Jindabyne instead in Pershore Valley because it's cheaper. And going to Pershore Valley from Jindabyne is only about 30 minutes. So if you plan to cut the accommodation cost, this is our suggestion. I hope this is helpful. We have finally arrived in Jindabyne, and here is our accommodation for the next 3 days and 2 nights.
Kamusta, Bal?
Okay lang.
Kumusta ang biyahe?
Kanang winding kayo dito sa Snowy, Snowy River?
Snowy River.
Ito.
Anak kayo.
Pero okay raman ka.
Okay ra.
Siya na may ni-drive, dili naman ako.
Yay! Hello!
Say hi to Tito John.
Here's Team Caro's arrival.
Ito si Carly, oh, sa taas.
Let the party begin. Seeing my baby play with another baby is so heartwarming. Thanks for watching, guys, and please watch part 2.
So galit. Dagat.